Welcome, this is Uju Studio. I am a game developer. In Uju Studio, I make videos and tutorials on game development, and I have planned to fulfill my channel with Flax Engine beginner tutorials. What kind of tutorials, if you ask? Okay, there are let's say basic usage, level designing, coding, and many kinds of tutorials that you will get in future. I have just started these tutorials of the Flax Game Engine on Uju Studio. So if you want to get Flux tutorials whenever I upload them, you can subscribe to my channel. This way you are getting the tutorials to learn Flux Game Engine, and you can subscribe to my channel to get them. In this video we will discuss how to create a new project, and we will also discuss some more things like interactivity and placing objects, creating new objects, navigation, etc. things in future videos. Basic Flux Engine tutorials are going to be uploaded later, but today let's see how to create a new project. And again, first of all, you will need to have Flax Engine Launcher installed in your PC. If you don't know how to install Flax Engine Launcher, check the video on description where I linked a tutorial to install Flax Engine on my channel. And if you have installed it successfully, then I guess you have also logged in on the Flax Engine account with an account. More information on the video that I have linked. And first of all, you'll need to start the launcher. On here you can see this icon is the launcher, and it will take some time because this is a game engine launcher, so it will take a little bit of time to load. And if it's loaded, you may be introduced to new step on here. These are the tabs. There are 5 tabs: news, store, learn, engine, projects. These are the 5 tabs. On here you will have to go to projects tab, which will bring you to project management window. You can see I have created a lot of projects, but in your case, if you are a beginner, you might not have any project created, which you will learn later by watching tutorials on my channel. I will upload most of the basic things of Flux Engine usage. And first of all, to create a project, open the Flux Engine Launcher, then come to project step. It's the down step on Flux Engine 1.5 version. It has project step on the left side at the downest of the tabs. Then find the button called new project. It is on my case located over the top right corner of the Flax Engine Launcher. To create the project, just click in new project. Then you will be asked for templates and the name and the directory for the game engine, for your project. So first of all, these are just templates. These are not fully fleshed games. If you want to create a project, the things you will be introduced to is a template or a blank project. If you think that these are full projects, actually these are not full projects. It will create a project that is readable by the Flux Game Engine, but actually if you open the game, you will see that it will not have the full features like controllable character inputs or many other things which are not integrated directly inside of the templates that you see on here. You usually, if you are I guess you are a beginner, so you will choose this basic scene. To choose this, just click on there like this, and do not click on blank project if you are not sure which one to use. And then at the bottom right corner of the window, you can see there is a text box called name. To what was I saying? Naming project is not case sensitive. It means you can create any kinds of names for your project. For my case, I will write hello world. Another thing is, if you think naming is mandatory, it is actually wrong. if you write Need for Speed over here, it will not create you a racing game. If you write Call of Duty here, it won't be creating you a shooting game. It's doing nothing with the name. But it's better to have a name branding for your project, which is not a mandatory thing for a beginner yet. Let's name it Hello World, or you can also write, let's say, Home, or okay, Call of Duty. But it's always going to give you a blank project that is not a full game. That's just a template. Okay, let's avoid copyright issues over here. I should not name it Call of Duty. Let's write Hello World. Okay, this is the second thing, and the last and third thing is to set up where you want to put your project to. It's currently going to put your project on Documents, Flux Projects, which is over, where is this? See, users, wait, please wait a second. Okay, I see. OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive, Documents. Okay, here it is. It will put your project, if you don't change it, it will put your project to here somewhere. I don't get it. Sorry, Flux Projects. Okay, I mean, this will create a part on here with Flux project name, another folder called Hello. But I don't want to put it on here. You would also be not wanting to put that thing on here. So whatever you'll do, create a directory. First see if the directory is empty over here. Yes, this directory is empty. I want to put this over the drive of my games folder. To navigate this project over that folder directory, you will need to click on these three dots, and it will create another window which you will have to browse. Well, I said that I want to put it on D drive of my main games folder of D drive. First of all, let's find the D drive. This is the D drive. If you want to put it on E drive, so click on E drive. Okay, in your case, it might be different. It should be different, but in my case, it is on the D directory. So I clicked on there. I want to put it on here. Click on the folder and press OK. If you don't want to put it on here, let's say you want to put it over your project on let's say okay, over this, let's say in media. So you will have to click on here and press OK. Then your project will be over here. But I want to keep things organized, so I will put it on my main games, which I usually do put my projects on. That is this is my case, and I will press OK. So click on these three dots, then choose a folder you want to put your project on, where the project will be created on the computer disk. Select it and click OK. Done. It's going to put it over that folder. You can see it changed its name. Now if you create a project, okay, it will now create a project. So three things which are: choose a template, name your project, and then find the directory. Create what do I say? Browse the directory and then finish. Now you can create a project which will be created automatically. Yes, which is over here somewhere. Hello World here. First of all, this is how you create it. But to open it, that's an extra bonus on today's video. Just go to these three dots, move your mouse to the three dots of your project, then click open. It will open it. And another thing is, game engines are heavy things which requires a lot of time to load. So if you are waiting for 2 or 3 minutes to load your project after clicking open, it is okay. It is a game engine because calculating infinity. Okay, whatever. This is a joke. Okay, if you are waiting for this for an hour, it would not be normal, but you may need to wait for at least 30 seconds, or if too much, then 10 minutes of waiting time for my no, I actually my Flux project loads in 3 seconds, and here it is. The Flax engine has been loaded, and this guy is black because this is a bug. If you are facing the same problem, just close and reopen the project, and it will fix the black sky on your viewport of your project. And so we will next learn how to some basic things such as navigation around the world like this. Right click on the viewport like this. I will discuss it later more in a more deep tutorial. And you can see over here I have created these projects. I mean, not me, it is the Flax engine which created this project. Okay, that's something. I'm not a good Englishman, by the way, so but I guess you guys at least understand how to do the process of creating a project. First, okay, let me review this. First, open the Flax Engine Launcher, then click on the Projects tab, then find new project button over there as I did, and choose a template, name your project, browse the directory, and click this. And yes, that's how you will actually create a project. I hope this video helped you. If it was helpful, so please hit the like button. It really let me know if a video is perfect or not, and I can improve my tutorials and help you to learn better in the future. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. You will learn many kinds of things from coding to level design and also marketing a bit. This will help you to learn game development and marketing. If you encounter any problems during this tutorial series or in this video, you can let me know on the comments, and be sure to check them out. If you encounter any problems, there might be an answer on the comments. And that's all. Subscribe if you like my tutorials, and like the video if it helped you. And if you encounter any problems, you can check out the comment section. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching. We will meet on the next video. Goodbye.